I'm Eric Minowitz, and I'm a relationship manager here at Monaco Advisors. I want to present this month's wealth of knowledge. We have three great topics that you will definitely want to tune into. Our partner Salim wrote a great piece of our advisor insight on why financial windfalls are critical planning moments. Our market commentary is on why oil prices matter less, but still move headline inflation, a very relevant topic this month. Please don't miss out on our webinar airing on March 26th on navigating financial windfalls. As always, we are here to help and answer any questions that you may have. Please be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube for continued updates and insights on the market and economy. I hope you have a great day.